This is the Berry Hill district of Nashville. There's lots of murals up around this place. As you can see, all different studios as well. Adam Audio there, HOB Studios. I don't know how functional they are, but they've got these murals. Marty Stewart, Tom Petty. I don't know who that is. Outcast. Says it alongside, just in case you don't know. Tammy Wynette, Fats Domino and Janis Joplin. And there's Muddy Waters up there on the garage door. So very good. So there's a few more down here, so we'll go down and take a look. We're up behind the buildings as well. Let's go. HOB Studio D, and there's quite a bit around here then. It's almost like a House of Blues water tower there. Oh, they're all over the place. Johnny Cash, Aretha Franklin, Albert King, Carl Perkins, Jimmy Reed, Howlin' Wolf, and who's that then? Ralph Stanley. Oh, death. I love that song. Snoop Lion. Snoop Lion. Joe Walsh. Stevie Ray Vaughan. Patsy Cline. What's that named? T-Bone Burnett. Pretty cool. And then over there we got Bob Marley, Minnie Pearl, James Brown, Prince, Amy Whitehouse, Mr. and Waylon Jennings on the end. There's more over there, so we'll go over there now. Studio C. Oh, this is House of Blues. That's why it's House of Blues Tower. There's the House of Blues sign in the slats of the wood fence. So we've come from the murals over that side there. There's more over here. We've got Greg Allman, Otis Redding, Joni Mitchell, Jim Lauderdale, Emmylou Harris, Nina Simone, Jerry Garcia, Mick Jagger, Keith Richards there. Up there we've got the Louvin brothers. No, it's Earl and Scruggs, sorry. Earl and Scruggs and John Fogerty, of course, Creedence Clearwater Revival. Come on, here we've got the Beatles, Loretta Lynn, Neil Young, Michael Jackson, Billie Holiday, Louis Armstrong, Merle Haggard and Stevie Wonder. Certainly paying tribute to the artists with all these murals up this end. Welcome to the city of Berry Hill, crossroads of music, City, USA. Hank Williams, Dylan, Dolly, Willie Nelson, Jimi Hendrix, there he is, there's Elvis. And George Jones. And somebody obscured there. Who's that? Oh, Bill Monroe, bless him. Obscured by the plants, there needs a bit of trimming. I think there's anybody else hidden behind there. Oh, so it's very cool. I like these. So it's all in this one area of Berry Hill here. There's different studios of various sizes around here. Little personal interest for me is Blackbird Studios. Very prolific studios here in Nashville. Trying to find which one it is now. Perhaps it's from the other side actually. It's very, very prolific studios. All it escapes me now. The names that I saw a few months back about who's recorded here. I'll take my word for it. Many have. But from my point of view, Stray Cats. The Stray Cats recorded their latest album. Yeah. Went to see the Stray Cats live in June in Birmingham, UK. Fantastic.